whole school down there, man.
Yeah. Even the little kids.
Oh, yeah. I think it was 2 years ago we had a homecoming, and there were administrators down here. I mean, Borges was dancing. I mean, there was like everybody in the stands came down into the track and danced. It was a blast. Kind of a cool tradition. I like it.
Yeah.
People probably don't know they're being recorded, huh?
Nah.
You're going on the internet.
Let's just wait until it spreads throughout the school on Monday.
Uh-oh.
Uh,
What happened?